When it comes to emotional intelligence in AI chatbots, Kuki and Replika are two of the most well-known names in the game. But which one really offers the better experience for users looking for deeper, more human-like conversations? Well, we're about to dive into that question, and trust me, you'll want to stick around for the end when I give my personal recommendation. Let's start with Kuki. This chatbot is designed to engage users in fun, quirky conversations. It's built to entertain with humor, games, and casual banter. But when it comes to emotional intelligence, Kuki's strength lies in its ability to keep things lighthearted. It doesn't delve as deep into emotional support or therapeutic conversations, but it does a good job of making users feel heard in a casual, upbeat way. It's great for those looking for a chat that doesn't require a lot of emotional depth, but still offers a friendly, engaging experience. Next thing, let's talk about Replika. Replika, on the other hand, leans more into emotional intelligence and companionship. It's marketed as an AI friend, and it's designed to engage users on a deeper emotional level. Replika uses advanced natural language processing to respond in a way that feels more empathetic. It can learn your personality, your preferences, and adjust its conversations accordingly, which makes it feel like you're talking to someone who genuinely understands you. For those looking for a chatbot that offers emotional support, Replika shines in this area. Now, I should point out that both of these chatbots have their limitations. Kuki is more focused on fun and entertainment, which can sometimes feel a bit shallow if you're looking for real emotional connection. It's not great at dealing with sensitive topics or offering any real therapeutic value. Replika, while much better at emotional engagement, can sometimes come off as too generic in its responses, and its learning capabilities, though impressive, don't always hit the mark in really understanding complex emotions. The fourth thing we should mention is user experience. Kuki is very user-friendly, and it's easy to jump right in and start chatting. There's no steep learning curve, and you can begin interacting with it almost immediately. Replika, while also easy to use, can feel a bit more intense due to its goal of building a deep connection with users. It asks more personal questions, which can be off-putting to some, but for those looking for an emotional bond, it's a feature that sets it apart. So, which one is better for emotional intelligence? It really depends on what you're looking for. If you want a chatbot that offers deep, emotional conversations and personal connection, Replika is your best bet. But if you're just looking for a lighthearted chat with a fun personality, Kuki is your go-to. But after trying both of them myself, I found a better alternative for emotional intelligence. Both Kuki and Replika have their strengths, but if you're looking for a chatbot that blends fun and emotional depth in a way neither of them quite hits, I'd highly recommend checking out the chatbot linked in the description below. Through this link, you'll get the best free trial available, plus some exclusive benefits just for our viewers. Try it out and see for yourself why it could be the better option for achieving the emotional connection you're after.